For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Wise from ystech.org here, and today we got a really cool unboxing. So, I can't believe I managed to get one. It's a mini Henry Hoover. Now he costs $29. It's a little bit pricey for Henry Hoover, but hey, it's Henry himself. And it's Henry the desk vacuum, it says here. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, I think, as well. So it's perfect for my desktop. So let's go ahead and see if that's real. So if you guys didn't know, Henry has a little bit of a cult following. And he is pretty cool, so let's get him up. So there's Henry. And nothing else comes inside the box. So this is Henry here. He's pretty large, to be honest, for a desk vacuum. Actually, not very large. I mean, he's large in size for a mini one, but I think it's a good thing. So I think you just screw the top off, take it off like that. So you'll need some screwdrivers to just make sure to get the batteries inside. And inside it comes with a vacuum cleaning set. And yeah, so that's what Henry looks like inside his brain, inside his head, his skull. And this is his head. This is actually his body, inside his body. This is his skull here. And that's where the batteries go. So Henry is pretty well made for a plastic toy. Oh, should I say toy? Risking everything here. So let's get him open and see our first impressions. Oh, sorry, I didn't really go over what comes in the vacuum cleaning set. So to Henry's nose, you can put a big nose. Oh, okay, that's an extension. Let's see what he can do here. So I think you put his nose on like this, and now Henry's got his little snaz. And let's raise you guys up so you guys can see everything. There we go. So there's Henry there. And he comes with his vacuum cleaning attachments. So I think you put this on here. Okay, I gotta read the manual. Alright, I don't really know how the attachments work, but let's get some batteries in this guy and see how he runs. So all the suction's actually done through the top, was actually quite interesting. There's no parts on the bottom, the body is just plastic. He takes 3 AA batteries. 3. My bad guys, no, 2, 3. Let's see if I got any here. It's all worth it for Henry though. Okay, so I just put some batteries in there. Mind you, I will show you guys now. So when you put the batteries in, the one at the bottom needs to go in reverse. So if you see over here, you guys can see this. Alright, when you get your Henry Hoover, there will be a red line there. Just put the plus side towards the red line, and the negative side to the other way. I'll just get these batteries back in here. Put the ribbon cable. You're supposed to put it inside. I haven't used it for now. I just want to see Henry Hoover at work. So here we go. So 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Henry. Does he even suck anything? Alright, let's see. Alright, we have to get a vacuum cleaner nozzle on him. Alright. So got one on. Now we need to get the other side. Cool. I get one of these. Now Henry is going to go to work. So Henry, are you going to do your job? Oh no, his nose came off. Alright, is Henry practical? Not really. Is he cool? Yeah, it's Henry Hoover. How can he not be cool? Let's try him one more time. Can Henry pick up the screw? No. The suction power is actually not too bad. I mean, he is picking stuff up, minimally, but it is something. This is one cool toy though. We'll have a full review on Henry the Desk Hoover later on, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Go and check out YStick.org for the latest bunch of reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at YStick.org. Other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.